I want to take the string that we have and the string array, and I want to add the best times, and I want to put uh, the person. Okay, so we for string t in times, right? T in times. I want to. This would be easier if we do like something else instead of Google Docs. Put t at 0, and I think t1. Um, oh no, we don't know yet. We don't know yet. So we're just gonna put, for now, we're gonna put the integer dot max underscore value. Because we don't know what we're putting yet. We're just putting the drivers, so this will give us like a hash map like this. Harold and max value. Right?
Yeah, yeah, you right.
And then
Yeah, yeah.
another person like Gina. You know what I mean. Okay, it's enough typing here. Okay. So we'll put them all in the map first, and then we can go through our laps, and we can put what exact like time they have. Okay, so we can do for int lap equals 1. Lap is less than num laps lap plus plus.
I think
Okay. Okay. So here we start to go through it. We say, okay, for what are you laughing about? What are you laughing about, Jonathan?
so. Yeah, yeah, you did it, Christina. Yeah,
What are you talking about? Oh my god.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, we get our next for loop here for the string time t in times. We're gonna put the actual driver's best time here. We're gonna say um, we'll put the name of the driver and the best time. So let's say, yeah, I think this is fine. T at 0, that'll be the name. And we put the minimum, so we're gonna use either the math.min of our current best time, right? So how do we get that? We can just do get. We can do the t at 0 dot get, and then driver best times. Yes, we can get this. Okay. Or we're gonna use the current time that they have. So that could just be I'll have to parse this. Parse int of p at 1. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. We can also go here. We can also say, like, we can say who's eliminated at this point, right? We
Hmm.
update each driver, and we can say if they're eliminated here, too. Okay?
Okay.
So we can have, like, a set of eliminated drivers. So I can put that outside of the for loop. Since there won't be any duplicates, apparently. Okay, so we have eliminated drivers. We can what we can do to make this look easier and better is we can do string name equals t at 0, and then we can put the name here. Okay. What can we do here? So I guess we could say, yes, we could say if eliminated drivers dot contains name, then we just kind of ignore this one because we already counted them before in a different like run or lap, right? So we can do that. Yeah, and then this one looks good. So we can take the eliminated drivers here. We just get, this is basically to get our best time for driver each lap. Eliminated drivers. Right? We could do that there. Perfect. We can move on. We're still in our for loop here for our lap. So in this lap, we can finally get the worst best out of all of these drivers, right?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can.
And equal, we're just gonna say like integer dot min value or whatever for now. So it's gonna be like that. Okay, so we can get our worst best here. How we can do that, let's think. We can go through the Okay, hold on. Let me take a break now. Okay, it feels like a long question, you know? Yeah. This question's too long. Hey, I got asked this question before. What's that chose to study? Are you bored?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I really don't need you to study. You can go if you want. I'm basically talking to myself.
I mean,
I forgot you don't know anything.
I know what this is. I took a computer science class. I know how to program. But I've never programmed in Java, so I'm not really too with the kids, you know.
What does that mean?
I don't know Java. Like, I know what an integer is. I know what a 2D array is. I know DD.
Yeah, but I just realized, like, I don't know, it doesn't actually help to have you study with me.
It kind of, I mean, no, that, like, it's helping. Like, I did, like, group studies, and it's better, like, there's two people in a group study, the person who's yapping and the person who's being yapped at, and, like, the yapping person's gonna score higher, because they're, like, you know, reinforcing prior knowledge onto somebody else.
Okay. Alright. I believe you.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, or the drivers. Oh my god, why is that moving too? Are you serious? What is even happening with this thing? Or the driver in the key set, if they are in the eliminated, or if they're not eliminated, then we can add their worst best times. Let me think. Okay. Yes, we could do this. This makes a lot of sense. We want the worst best time, so we're actually going to take the integer dot or the math dot max value. Actually, math dot max of I think like our current worst best and the best times dot get name. So current worst best and the okay. Like best dot get or best times dot get. Yes. Okay. I'm actually gonna change this to name. This just makes way more sense. Okay, this one is done. So we have our worst time now, the worst best time, and we can do the eliminating from here. Actually, should go a little more. Okay. We can have a mission. Okay, we need to get all the drivers that we're gonna eliminate, so let's make a list. Doesn't matter what kind of list. The right list. Or the driver. The name of the driver. And what is the map called again? Okay, driver best times. This. But if they're not eliminated already, I don't think I need to do that. I can just do like, okay, to eliminate. Oh god, name. Okay. Now we have the drivers that we want to eliminate, right? So, at this point, okay. this point. We can check how many drivers we have left, right? Eliminated, that's nice. Yeah, eliminated. That sucks. If we're still less than the number of drivers, then we can continue and we can add the eliminated. We can do like a sort, so we can do collections.sort to eliminate, and then we can do results.add all to eliminate. But we forgot to make the results array. Let's put it up here. List of strings. Result. Oh shit. Equals new array list. I think we can just do that. Alright, so eliminate. Now we can do result dot add all eliminate. Right, and then we can do eliminated dot add all to eliminate. But we could actually, the results array is kind of redundant. We'll figure that out next. But okay, we'll do the else now. Else, this condition we enter when we have one driver left. Like, there we go. Oh, fuck. We just add that driver. I'm pretty sure. I think that's it. If more than one driver remains. But if one driver remains, we can just say, let me think. Hold on, let me think, Jonathan. Oh, we could just do this. I asked ChatGPT because I got confused. We're actually going through the eliminate array and not the other thing, so it's okay. We can just do this. Are you still here? Did you just
I'm
like
still here.
zone out?
Yes.
Nah, you're not even looking. You're not even looking.
I'm looking. I don't know what happened though.
Alright, whatever, man. Okay, so in our to eliminate array, if more than one driver is remaining, then we can do this, right? We go through and we get if more than one driver, eliminate them. Otherwise, we're gonna end it. So we take the last remaining driver. We say he's in a remaining array. We take the name, and if eliminated does not contain the name, we're gonna add him to the remaining array. We're gonna sort the remaining array, and then we're gonna add the remaining array to the result. Then we're gonna break, and then we're finally gonna return the result here. Actually, I think we return it here. Let me see. Return result. Yeah. I think we have. No, wait. Do I have a public? Yeah, I do. Yeah, this is it. Alright, that's it, Jonathan.
Oh.
Yep.
So if you were to run that in Java, you good, white boy?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Well, it took you
Alright,
20
that was...
minutes.
What?
That took you 20 minutes.
Okay, not bad. Alright. I can delete some of these things. I think I don't need all this. I don't want to crowd these notes. Okay, let's see. Yep, that's good. I think... Stop sharing. I didn't even really need to screen share with you, I just realized.
Yeah,
You...
we were on the dock.
Yeah. Alright, that was the first question. That's it, Jonathan. Pretty good. Not that bad. Pretty easy. So, that was cool.